Hey guys, it's Geek Out Everything, and today we're going to be unboxing and the review of the Jbl C200Si. And guys, as you can see, these are the successor to the C100Si that I reviewed earlier. So guys, in the back of the box we have some technical specs and some inbox specs. So yeah, so guys, just quickly unbox it. And guys, in the later part of the video I'll be also reviewing it after using for a couple of days. So yeah, stay tuned. And guys, these are actually newly launched, so I thought let's do a review of these ones, and I will give you an idea how they are good as compared to the C100Si. And guys, as you can see, we have some extra ear tabs. And guys, let me just take them out. And guys, you can also buy these in different colors like white and black, but I think the blue color looks more attractive. So yeah, we have this. And guys, what happens with JBL earphones, we get lots of paperwork, and the same goes on over here. There's lots of paperwork, but I don't think so anyone read it. So yeah, that is what warranty information and all that stuff. So guys, let me just do one thing. Let me just keep it aside. And guys, these are the earphones itself, and as you can see, these are totally made up of plastic, but guys, the build quality is good. And guys, as you can see, they are actually angular, so whenever you wear them, they will just stuck in your ears. So in terms of the fitting, I don't think so anything could happen. And guys, we have the gold plated 3.5 mm headphone plug, which is straight. It's not angular as most of the earphones. It's straight. So guys, that is comes down to your preference. So it's gold plated. And guys, as you can see, in terms of looks and the build quality, I have to say the build quality is good. And we have this sparkly texture over here. And guys, in terms of looks as well, the looks actually pretty good, and they're actually pretty small. So yeah. And guys, in terms of the cable quality, I have to say JBL had done a really good job in the cable quality department. And yeah, cable is really thick, and it's anti-tangle kind of thing, so it's not get tangled or something like that. And the cable quality is really good, I have to say. And guys, as you can see, we also have this little adjustment thing that you can use to adjust the wire, so it's good. And guys, if I talk about the fitting of these earphones, then guys, in terms of fitting, I didn't had any kind of problem. Yeah, because they are kind of small, then sometimes guys, they just come out of my ears, and that is actually pretty rare. But apart from that, they are actually pretty good in terms of the fitting. Because of its small size, they are not that much big, so you don't feel any kind of pain or something like that if you wear for a long time. Yeah. And guys, now the most important thing, and that is the sound quality of these earphones. And guys, I have to say, in terms of the sound quality, they are actually pretty good. I have to say the bass is actually a little bit increased as compared to the JBL C100Si, and actually I am liking it, because in the bass it's not like hiding the vocals and mids and lows. The bass is actually separate, and the instruments and vocals are actually highlighting, and that is pretty rare to see in the budget range. But the JBL is doing pretty good job in terms of sound quality. And guys, I have to say these are the best earphones that you can get under 1000 rupees. And guys, if you want to check out my review of the C100Si, then link is in the description below, and I will also give you in the I button somewhere. So yeah, you can just check it out. They are also good. Yeah. And guys, so yeah, that is for this video now guys. Link in the description if you want to check them out. If you just like this video, hit the like button. If you dislike, you know what to do, but if you like and get subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below. I'll be really help if you do that. And yeah, goodbye, see you later, peace. See you later. Yeah.